Hi. So, Shelby didn't really address this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say that you have till Friday to upload an audition video if you so choose to. I feel like it's been about 2 weeks and it's a good amount of time. So, this is like probably the 5th time I've tried making this video with Shelby's theme on dependence on technology. And I mean, I just can't think of anything to say. Like, I agree that our society is very dependent on technology. I can't really think much more than that. The only example I could really give was like, oh, it's good for this because like it's good for preserving history because physical copies of books can get burned or like in a flooded fire. But at the same time, like computers could crash and stuff and we can lose stuff like that. But I really can't think of much else to say other than yes, our society is dependent on technology. It is both a good and a bad thing. I just can't, like, I've tried making this video like 5 times and can't think of much more to add than that. I'm sorry. I don't really know what else to say. I guess the thing with technology is to just like try using it in doses. I know most people don't do that. I know I don't do that really. Like, sit on the computer all day sometimes. I feel like we need to concentrate on things that aren't just technology and not be so dependent on things that aren't humans. I don't know. I just really can't think of anything else to say. Hope you guys have a good week.